Hello everybody, how are you my students? Today we will complete our questions about difference and subtraction, division, equations, and a lot of questions from المعاصر book. Okay, look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 13 or 1.3. Look at here. 1.3 subtract by 0.8500. We can find the result by equal parts. Look at here, 1.3, we must put 0 behind it, subtract by 0.8500. 0 minus 5, we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 3 will be 2, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5. And 2 minus 8, we can do it, so we must borrow 1 from 1 will be 0, and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 8 equal 4. We must put point here. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then the result will be 4500. Okay. Choose letter C. Question number B. 3330 divided by 32 equal 10 and 104. And remember what? He asked about remainder. When you want to find the remainder, we can do two methods about this example. First, we can divide this number by 3330 by 32 and then find the quotient and the remainder. Or the second method, we can multiply the quotient and divisor, and the result we must subtract by the dividend to get the remainder. Okay, I will solve about the first method with you. What about first method? First method told us we must do the long division. Okay, I will do the long division by the dividend here 3330 and the divisor 32. 3 divided by 32, we can't do it. 33 divided by 32 equal 1. 1 times 32 equal 32, it's nearest to 33. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 3 minus 3 equal 0, we must drop 3 here. The result will be 13 by 32. We can't find the result because it's less than, so we must put 0, and then we must drop the next number 0 here. He told us we must put 4 here because the quotient 104. 4 times 2 equal 8, and 3 times 4 equal 12. And 130 subtract by 128, the result will be 2. So the remainder will be 2 in this example. It's the remainder. Okay, the remainder will be 2. Question letter C. If x minus 2.456 equal 1.987, then x equal what? We will add the result to the minimum. Where minimum here, and this subtrahend. Okay, again, x we called it minimum, and this number minimum. No, it's minimum, and this subtrahend, and this difference between them. Okay, so we must add two numbers to them to find x. X equal 2.456 plus 1.987. Again, x equal 2.456 because we must find the greater number. The greater number we can find it by 8 two number by them. We can find the result. We have 3 parts here equal 8 parts. 7 plus 6 equal 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. 4 and the carry of 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 4 14. 4 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. The result will be 4.443. The result will be letter D about this example. Okay, what about question letter D? 80 times 10 plus 80 times 5 plus 3 times 10 plus 3 times 5 equal what? We used what? Distribution. About multiplication. Who can tell me 80 and 3? It will be 83. Add 8 and 0 behind it. 80 and 3. It will be 83. Multiply by, we have here 5 and 10. 5 and 10. It's repeating. 5 plus 10 equal 15. So it will be what? 15. Again, 80 times 10 80 times 5. 3 times 10. 3 times 5. Okay? We're using distribution about this example. So we must choose 83 multiplied by 15. Letter B. Letter E. 7,345 kilogram equal gram. To convert it from kilogram to gram, we must multiply by 1000. Okay? This point here, again, 7.345 kilogram to gram, we must multiply 1000, so the point must be joined from left hand side to right hand side by 3 digits. 7345. Okay, 7345. Letter A. Question 2 complete. 36.365 approximating to 36.4 to the nearest what? To the nearest tenths. To the nearest what? Tenths. To the nearest tenths. Question letter B. If the price of 15 books is 315 pounds, then the price of each book equal, we can find the result by division about 315 and 15. We know 31 divided by 15 equal 2 and remainder 1, because 2 times 15 equal 30. Just after 30, 31 it will be 1. 15 divided by 15 equal 1. The result will be 21 pounds. The greatest common factor of 6 and 15 is space. We know the greatest common factor between them will be what? Will be 3, because 6 equal 3 times 2 and 15 equal 3 times 5. The greatest common factor between them, it will be 3. Okay, the result will be 3. 36 multiply what? Equal 36,000. It will be here. We must write 1,000. 3,333 milliliter equal space liter. We must divide it by 1,000. The result will be 3.333. Okay, question number 3. Put true or false. True to the correct sentence and false to the incorrect statement. 35 multiply 76 equals 3 multiply 7. No, we must write here 30. 30 times 7, 30 times 6. It's false. I used here distribution properties about multiplication. Letter B. 10 is a common multiple of 2 and 5. Yeah, true. Because 2 times 5 equal 10. And 10 can divide by 2 and divided by 5. And 2 and 5 are prime number. If we have two prime number, we must multiplication them to find the common multiple. Or 10 can divide by 2 and 10 can divide by 5. 3.45 plus x equals 6.4 is an equation. True or false? It's true. Letter D. He asked about this example. Equation. Yeah, it's equation because we have equal between two expression. Letter D. If 3,333 divided by 15 equal 222 and remainder 3, then 15 multiply by 222 equal 3,333. No, it's false because we have remainder. Okay, we can add the remainder 3 to this number. We must change the 3 here to be 6 because we have the remainder. We must add the remainder to the dividend. We must add 3 to the dividend to find the result. It must be 3,336. We must change 3 to 6. Okay. Letter E. 300th. It will be 0.03 plus 50 thousandths. We must write 50 thousandths. It will be what? We must equal parts to find the result. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And the result will be 0.08. We must cancel 0 here. It's true. Okay? It's true here. It's question 2. And what about question number 4? Question number 4. Mona made a liter of sugar cane juice. She drinks 750 milliliter. Her mother drank 0.33 liters. How much sugar can Joyce is remaining? We can add them and the result subtract from 1 liter because she made a liter of sugar. Liter equal 1000 milliliter, so the result will be 1000 subtract 570 and 0.53 milliliter. So we can find the result about them. To find the remaining, we can write 1000 subtract the result about them. Look at here, this liter we must multiply by 1000 to convert it from liter to milliliters, so the result will be 330 milliliter. So this number we must convert it. It will be 330 milliliter. Again, we know 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter, and we have here 570 milliliter. She drank 570 milliliter, and her mother drank 330 milliliter. We convert from liter to milliliter by multiply by 1000. So the result will be what? First we must add them, find the result in parentheses first, and then find the difference between two numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 3 plus 7 equals 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 4 plus 5 equals 9. The result will be 100 milliliter. Question number 5. If the weight of Hani, Wael and Hiba are 85.7 kilogram and 94,560 gram and 75.6 kilogram, what is the total of the weight? First we can convert from kilogram to gram, or this number we can divide it by 1000 because this number in kilogram and this number in kilogram, so this number we must convert from gram to kilogram by divided by 1000. Okay, this number divided by 1000, so we must put the point after 3 digits. We can write 85.7 plus 94.56 plus in this number 75.6. Okay, then we can find the result by equal parts. Write 0 here and 0 here. 0 plus 6 plus 0 equals 6. 6 again. 0 plus 6 plus 0 equals 6. Okay, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 8 and carry up 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 17 plus 8 equal 25. The result will be 255.86 hundredth. Again ممكن نقول we can read at 255.86 kilogram or 255 and 86 hundredth kilogram. Okay, understood? Okay, we must study hard with question. Okay, my students, goodbye.